This is the Krysalis Eltheria. The Krysalis Eltheria has created a new standard of hookah that is beloved around the world. Here's how to get the best experience using the Eltheria and give it the love it deserves. First, here's how to assemble and use the Krysalis Eltheria. We suggest to begin heating up your charcoal as you set up the Eltheria. First, remove the outer vessel. If you are using the Celestia LED, turn that on and place inside the inner vessel. Now, fill the inner vessel with water. You will want to fill the water so that it is just above the thread of the diffuser. Place the outer vessel on top of the collar and make sure it's properly seated to create a good seal. Next, pack the Samsaris with tobacco so that it's just above the cinder spire of the bowl. For more information about packing, you can refer to our Samsaris video. Put the bowl into the outer vessel. Plug in the purge valve and hose. Place your lotus on top of your bowl and insert the charcoal. Wait 5 to 10 minutes and you're ready to enjoy the best clouds on the planet. Before you disassemble the Eltheria, make sure it's cool to the touch. To disassemble, remove the lotus and Samsaris, then discard the charcoal along with the used tobacco. Remove the outer vessel and dump the water out. Then, simply detach the hose and your Eltheria is ready to be cleaned and stored. Keeping your Eltheria clean will provide the best hookah experience. After each use, you can wipe out any of the leftover tobacco from the bowl and rinse the other parts. We suggest a more robust cleaning about once a month. Clean the parts with dish soap and a soft sponge. Dry the vessels to prevent water spots. Never place the Eltheria in the dishwasher. You have replacement Ayara activated carbon filters included with your Eltheria. We suggest replacing after 30 to 60 sessions. If you are using light leaf tobacco and lower heat, it will be closer to 60 sessions. To replace the Ayara activated carbon filter, first unscrew the diffuser. Take out the used carbon filter. Now, insert a new filter. Finally, rinse the downstem with cold water for 30 seconds and you're ready for use. Rarely, you may need to adjust the umbrella valves in your Eltheria. If you are getting just air and no smoke, adjust your umbrella valve and the purge valve. To do this, just remove the part and adjust the umbrella valve so it is seated properly. If you are unable to suck any air through the hose, you'll need to adjust your umbrella valve and the downstem. Simply remove the downstem and adjust any uneven edges of the umbrella valve. Kaloud is committed to the highest level of excellence for our products, and the Krysalis Eltheria has changed the way the world thinks about hookah. We hope you find as much enjoyment in the Eltheria as we do, and welcome your feedback. Find us on social media and tag us with your favorite Krysalis Eltheria memories with #Kaloud.